Hi everyone, Shemai. I'm Joey Pickard, project ecologist for the Lost Peatlands Project, and today I'm going to be talking about Sphagnum for the Lost Peatlands Top 10 series. Now that the rain has eased a bit, I can show you some of the beautiful species we're working with. You might know Sphagnum as bog moss. It's the ecosystem engineer for all of our peatland habitats, holding water, creating the right conditions for peat formation and forming peat as it decays, and creating the right conditions for specialist species to colonise, like this Drosera here. I recommend watching Barry's video to learn more about that. There are a number of different Sphagnum species in the UK. And they found in different wet mire habitats as well as other places like Willow. You can find them on many of our Lost Peatland sites, including all of our upland habitat restoration areas, as well as some riparian areas and flushes as well. Get all year round. If you're near the Lost Peatlands Project area in the valleys, chances are you're not far from some. There's species that you find can give you some indication of habitat condition or quality. For example, Sphagnum cuspidatum, which is the most aquatic species being found in areas at high water level. So unsurprisingly, the most common species we have are the ones that can cope with poor conditions or disturbance. But we do have some habitat areas within the Lost Peatlands Project area and landscape with some good quality bog vegetation and lovely species including Capilifolium and the only current record for Sphagnum medium in Glamorgan. Can look variable depending on the species. Some are hummock forming, some are found in low patches or hollows. All have a distinctive growth form with a capitulum at the top here and branches held in groups called fascicles. And the key ID features in the field that we tend to use are stem leaves or branch leaves, which differ between species. The project is going to be restoring and monitoring peatland habitats in East Potaba and Rhondda and Taff, so keep your eyes peeled for more Sphagnum updates. And if you want to join in with us and other peatland restoration projects across the UK and share any photos with us or just learn more, every Monday on Twitter is Sphagnum Monday. Thanks for listening.